Alright, who is ready to have some fun? Let's practice the following expression with emotion. Please repeat after me. I'm hungry. 我饿了。I want to eat. 我想吃。Delicious. 好吃。I'm full. 我饱了。Let's say them all together. 我饿了。我想吃。好吃。我饱了。Now let's make it dramatic. I'm starving. 饿死我了。I want to eat. 我想吃。Delicious. 好吃。I'm stuffed. 撑死我了。Alright, let's say them all together. 饿死我了。我想吃。好吃。撑死我了。Alright, let's practice to say I'm hungry, I want to eat, delicious, I'm full, all the way to I'm stuffed. Are you ready? Alright, let's do this. 我饿了。我想吃。好吃。我饱了。饿死我了。我想吃。好吃。撑死我了。Fantastic! After this class, please practice a few times with emotion and have fun. In the next class, we're going to combine what we have practiced tonight along with all the fruits that we have reviewed. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.